Welcome to Dubai, the city of flavors and delights. Today, we take you on a culinary journey through the top 5 Nihari restaurants in Dubai, where succulent slow-cooked meat and rich aromatic spices await. 1. Daily Restaurant. A beloved eatery that has been winning hearts in Dubai for years. With locations in Karama, Deira, and Barsha, Daily Restaurant is a home away from home for many Asians in the city. Their signature dish, Nihari, is a labor of love, slow-cooked for a whopping 6 hours, ensuring the meat is incredibly tender and bursting with flavor. Two. B&B Cricket Bar. From the heavenly halwa puri to their delectable Nihari, B&B Cricket Bar has gained a devoted following among foodies in Dubai. Prepare to have your taste buds transported to the streets of India with every mouthful. 3. Little Lahore JLT. This restaurant is known for its mouth-watering Nihari, which is always in high demand. The flavors are simply exceptional, leaving patrons raving about this delightful culinary experience. 4. Ravi Restaurant. No list of top Asian restaurants in Dubai would be complete without mentioning Ravi Restaurant. A true Dubai landmark, Ravi has become synonymous with excellent Asian cuisine. Their Nihari, enriched with bone marrow, is a must-try. The beef is so tender that it effortlessly melts off the bone, making every bite an absolute pleasure. 5. Asher's Kitchen. It is known for its authentic and flavorful cuisine. Asher's Kitchen takes pride in offering an authentic taste of subcontinent. Their beef Nihari is a testament to their culinary prowess, as it mirrors the flavors found in the streets of India itself. Each of these eateries offers a unique and unforgettable experience for food enthusiasts seeking the very best of Asian cuisine. Whether you're a seasoned Nihari enthusiast or a first-time taster, these restaurants will leave you craving for more.